morning, good afternoon, evening, night, whenever you're watching this, the usual stuff. We're going to make this video short and sweet. We've got the Flaming Hot Cheetos Mountain Dew. Kind of scary. Or at least scary sounding. The kids don't want to try it because they're scared of it. And not necessarily because they're scared of it being hot, they're just scared of it because it's weird. I don't blame them. It is weird. So we're just gonna knock this out in one take. See what it's like. It almost smells like a cherry or like a limeade. Almost like a almost smells like a limeade, like a cherry limeade. I like hot stuff. I'm not a big fan of flaming hot Cheetos usually, but we'll see. It pours more orange than red. And let's try it. First time I've had it. Well, not super hot. Well, usually can't sell stuff that's super hot in regular stores anyway. It almost tastes like, like the cherry limeade on the front end, and then on the back end, a little bit of that that flaming hot Cheeto heat towards like the back of your throat. It's not like hot, but yeah, I guess it comes in with a little bit of attempt at the flaming hot heat at the end, but. Yeah, will I buy this again? No. Is it good? Not really. Is it okay? Yeah. Do I recommend it for you to buy and try? Probably not, unless you're just a glutton for Mountain Dew or Flaming Hot stuff. But yeah, so that's my quick, short, sweet, dirty review on the Mountain Dew Flaming Hot. So get outside and hey, enjoy life. Check out all these videos floating around here for other great content. Also, be sure to like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification, comment, check out the links below. It all helps the channel and the family. Every little bit.